She was just 17, you know what I mean. But the way she looked was way beyond compare. How could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? Well, my heart went boom when I crossed the room and I held her hand in my hand. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing I Saw Her Standing There by the Beatles. We'll do it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. How could I dance with another? Okay, so the song starts with the intro, which is 4 bars of E7. And then we start the verse, which is E7. She was just 17. And then to A7, and you know what I mean, back to E7. But the way she looked was way beyond compare. Here we grab B7, okay. And then here we have E, but I'm playing just the upper 3 strings and trying to mute the A string. E to E7, and then to A, to C, and the last line is again E to B7 to 2 times E7, all right? And the strumming I'm doing throughout the song is something like down, 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 up, 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 down, up, something like this. I'm doing variations of it all the time, but this is like the main skeleton that I'm trying to go around. So let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 1, 2. She was just 17. Didn't know what I mean, but the way she looked was way beyond compare. How could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? And after that we have the bridge, which is A major. Well, my heart went boom when I crossed the room and I held her hand to B7 in my ear, and then to A7, and we get to the other part. So we danced until 3. Everyone can see that before too long I fell in love with her. How could I dance with another when I saw her standing there? And pretty much we're just going between these 2 parts, with the only exception being the outro right after the last verse. When I saw her standing there. And then when I saw her standing to A7, and then to E7, and we can do this, which is E string open, then on the 4th fret, on the 7th fret, then 7th fret A string, and we grab the E9, and we finish it on E9. Alright, that was my pretty quick tutorial for I Saw Her Standing There. I hope you enjoyed this, I hope you learned with me, and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.